Hey, it's Anissa bringing you the handheld spin scrubber kit. This deluxe power scrubber is really the easy way to clean your home. Zach likened it to a electric toothbrush for your home, and boy is it easy to clean. You can clean grout, your sinks, tile, just about anywhere. And you've got all these different attachments. Probably the one you're going to use the most is this brush, and it's so easy to use. You just pop it on, push the button, and you're ready to clean. Here's a little tip. Make sure you don't push down too hard. You want to let the powerful scrubber do its work. Now, what we love about this kit is you get multiple attachments. This is the one you're probably going to use the most. It is the bristle brush. But it also comes with a sponge attachment, which you just pop right on. Now, this is good for glass, stainless steel, anything you want to make sure you don't scratch. It also comes with this polisher that fits right over the sponge, and that's great for your car and polishing anything else. Now, this is completely cordless, so you could take it anywhere, use it indoors or out, and it's cordless because it runs on 4 AA batteries. Now, these aren't included, but we do have a great price on them on our site. It also comes with this hanging hook. You can peel and stick and place this anywhere, and it'll hold it in place. Now, we have a great price on this deluxe kit, so head on over to Pulse TV and grab one or two today.